21. 3.3. Let's speak. Friends, we do lot of things daily. We used to eat, we used to walk, we speak, we can run. We do many things. Here, we will learn how to speak that thing which we or any another do. Such as, this girl is riding bicycle. A boy is climbing a tree. A woman is driving a car. A man is ironing clothes. A girl is skipping a rope. A man is driving a tractor. A woman is planting rice saplings. A boy is riding a horse. A girl is feeding a cow. In this lesson, we learn new words like riding, driving, climbing, playing, reading, working.